Importee Sir Don won his first race in 4 months after a runaway victory in the 17th running of the King's Plate, an overnight allowance contest for 3-year-olds and up going 7.5 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Sunday. Denise Walters has our racing preview.
4-5 favourite Sir Don went from gate to wire, only briefly being challenged on the lead by American Aviator and Tevin Foster. However, under a ride from two-time champion jockey Radish Roman in sloppy underfoot conditions, the American-bred 3-year-old Bay Gelding made all the running.
As they come thundering into the lane, American Aviator is running flat-footed in the centre of the track, asked to make ground on the outside. That's marked by identity, but it is Sir Don in charge. Rainsville now creeping closer. Sir Don drifting just off a true line, but straightened out now. Here is Rainsville trying to close the gap, but Sir Don is in full flight inside the final 16th. It is Sir Don in charge, large and in charge. Sir Don will take it under Radish Roman.
With splits of 23-1, 46-1, 1 minute and 12 flat, the Anthony Babanunez conditioned Sir Don won in 1 minute 31 2/5 by 6 3/4 lengths.
That was the main objective to the race: get a good break, position him and relax him as early as possible, and ask him for the last furlong and a half. Well, this is a very talented horse, and I know we have more to improve, and he's have a lot of talent.
Trainer Michael Marlowe saddled the 3 winners while Foster rode a double. Racing continues this Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.